Hey everyone, a new video special from my official YouTube guys and Telegram channel team SPRIBE. Please check this address guys and don't forget follow today. I continue guys to make money online and I'm gonna use official website. One win for earning money. This mirror guys, you can check this link, pause this video. Also guys, today I'm gonna play in this game Aviator and special guys. I'm sorry, special for this game. I'm gonna use this application hack. Aviator Predictor guys for Android device, and that's program gonna help me for earning money. Okay, but firstly guys, let's check my live laptop on fresh day today guys. You can see this place and also hear my active Android time. Okay, $88 guys, my starting amount for this game. Official website, one win guys, like this looking. This website you can check again guys, my official link, and now guys let's play. So I'm ready guys. First of all guys, now I'm gonna show you how to play in this game and I'm gonna make my first bet, for example $20 without program guys, $20 and place a bet. You can see guys bet accepted already. And now guys you can see first round in this video without program. Now guys I need to guess this current coefficient guys, but you can see the plane flew away and I lose my money because I can't guess current coefficient because I don't know exactly. Now I'm running guys my application Aviator project. Look at that guys, look at that magic. Choose one win guys. Okay, because I use website one win and select the game guys, Aviator game, because I'm using the game Aviator. That's really popular game. Okay, now guys I'm waiting Aviator Predictor, I'm waiting loading. By the way guys, here my official pages, check please again friends. Oh my goodness, again you can see next current coefficient 5 and 76. Okay, let's check. Opa, the plane flew away guys. So next current coefficient guys 2 and 35. Place a bet $20 the bet. In my video my first bet with my program, and so guys cash out. Okay, almost $40 my winning, the plane flew away. Next bet, that's $80 and oh my goodness, that's really beautiful coefficient guys. Mwah! 5 and 63 current coefficient guys. Okay, now I am waiting, and on this signal guys I'm gonna press cash out. Look at that, look at that guys. Here you can see my money more and more. So like this guys, cash out, and you can see friends almost $400 my winning and the plane flew away. Next round, oh my goodness. What the fuck guys. It's really happy day today guys, really happy day today. 31 and 36 current signal guys for this round. Now guys let's check, just look at that guys, like my money more and more guys. That's not edit video guys, this video in real time. You can see I turn around my phone like this. Okay, exactly. So oh my goodness, this is really beautiful coefficient guys. So guys let's check my amount right now before. Okay, now I'm gonna press like this guys, cash out. What the fuck, 2,400 my win. Oh my goodness guys, I can't believe it's really big. That's really big money. Also guys, next step like this and withdrawal on this page guys. You can create a new withdrawal request and you can withdraw your money guys on this page. Like this guys, you can make money online if you use my application Aviator Predictor. My official links guys, Telegram channel and support service. Thanks for watching, bye bye, I'll see you next time guys.